Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning into another video. This morning we're actually on the way to the lake. It may not be a great day, but I need to get out on the water. Right now I messed up, like I said in my last video, for my tournament, and I'm sitting in like 20th place when I was in third before, so things happen. So we're gonna give it a shot anyways. The winds are gonna suck today. I think the wind showing is about 17 miles an hour, so you know darn right out on the water it's probably pushing at least 20, if not heavier. So we're gonna go out and at least give it a shot, see what we can find, and hopefully we can find a few decent fish. I've seen a couple people catching them, and I need some at least 18 to 20 inchers, and we'll hopefully get back on the board. I know it's the 22nd now, and we may have to just give it a shot for April, but I don't have as much time to fish as everybody else. So about 5 minutes away from the lake, we'll get unpacked and let's go catch us a hog today. Alright guys, so we just got out on the water. Water temperature's reading about 54, and the wind definitely sucked on the front part. Yeah, so basically the wind's gonna suck in certain spots. It's okay right here, but I guarantee when I get to the other side of the lake, that wind's gonna be kicking. Water was down last time I was here, and it looks like it's still pretty down, but I mean, it's worth a shot. Give it a whirl so we can catch a few good ones. Maybe we get lucky, maybe we don't, but I got today and tomorrow to fish. I got permission to fish, let's put it that way. So let's get to it. I'm gonna hit a select few spots and then kind of work from there. It depends on how long how bad this wind is, whether I want to fight it all day, but let's get to it and let's go find some fish. Well, first fish of the day on the chatterbait. Missed one back there, and then had one. I didn't even know I had one on, but I'm not even going to measure this guy. Little small dude, but hey, broke the ice. Finally got one on the boat. Thanks, buddy. Let's go get another one. Well, second small one of the day. Probably a 12, 13, 14 inch or something like that. I need some bigger ones. little baby one. Freaking can't find any big ones to save my life. Little squeaker. This wind is freaking ridiculous, but maybe today I won't find a big one. Let's see. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Hopefully it's not too close of a picture right here. I had my other camera died all of a sudden for some reason, so I'm using the back camera that I usually use. Today was ultra windy, probably blowing 20 plus miles an hour. My legs are soaked. We were able to catch a few fish, but nothing for the tournament this month. I don't know if I'm gonna give it a shot tomorrow. Tomorrow is looking like probably windy again, so we may have to chalk it up for this month and go for April and not make the mistakes that I did last time. So hope you liked the video. I appreciate y'all tagging along, watching the video. Make sure you smash that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want. Make sure you get notified whenever I make a video. Hopefully with this warmer weather we'll be able to get out to different places and try some new things. So if you have any comments of what I should try and places I should fish, or just want to drop a comment, drop it down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.